In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit a blog template in the Design Manager in Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to your main navigation. Find Content, then go to Files and Templates, and select Design Tools. This will open the Design Manager, which is where Hubspot templates are built and updated. Think of it as the workspace where you can control both layout and module settings in one place. Once you are in Design Tools, look to the Finder sidebar on the left. This panel acts like a file browser. Use it to locate and select the blog template file you want to edit. If you have several templates, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one, since updates here can affect multiple blog pages that use the same template. After you open the template, you will see the layout in the main editor area. Click on any module inside the layout to select it. When you do, the inspector panel on the right will update with options for that specific module. This is where you can adjust the settings that control how the module looks and behaves, such as content fields, display options, and styling controls that are available for that module. As you click different modules, always watch the inspector to confirm you are editing the correct element. Next, if you want to change the layout, you can drag and drop modules directly within the editor pane. Move modules up, down, or into different sections to reorganize the structure of the blog template. Make small, deliberate adjustments so it is easy to track what changed, especially if the template is complex. If you need to add something new, go to the top right and click plus add. This opens the available modules you can use. Drag the module you want into the template where it belongs, then click it to configure the details in the inspector on the right. This is a good time to double-check spacing and placement so the layout stays clean and consistent. When you are satisfied with your updates, go to the top right and click Publish Changes. Publishing makes your edits live, so it is best to review everything one last time before you commit. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.